Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about creating custom visuals using charts and shapes in PowerPoint. Sometimes we may get inspired by articles published either in a magazine or a newspaper, and we wanted to create such kind of visuals in our PowerPoint presentation. Yesterday I was going through one of the newspapers where I was reading through one of the financial article where the financial advice was given, and one of the charts was created like this. A pie chart is converted into a bag shape and a man is carrying that. Let us see how to create that kind of shape very quickly. The first step is to create a bag shape like this. For that, first I am adding a rectangle. On top of it, adding another shape, teardrop. Shift and drag makes the aspect ratio proper. I need to edit the teardrop shape. For that, go to Format, under that Edit Shape, under that Edit Points. There are 5 points selected. Selecting the first point and dragging slightly, and also using other points to make the shape to look like a bag. Maybe the bag means the way it is appearing here. So let me do little tweaking. Maybe like this. Now I need to select both the shapes, and under Format tab, go to Merge Shapes and select Combine, so that the back shape disappears and there the area will be transparent. Now making this shape outline, very light outline for the time being, and making the shape color as white. Now you can see the shape is appearing like this. Now the step is to add a chart. Adding a chart, the chart is a pie chart. Okay. Now I don't want all these things. I'm just removing the headers and these elements as well. Sending the chart to backward. Now I'm making the chart a little bit smaller so that that is aligning to the bag shape. Also changing the color of the graph like this, and I'm grouping both the shapes. Now it looks like a single shape. Now I don't require the shape outline, so I'm removing the outlines. Now you can see properly. So the first step is over. We have created a bag shape and aligned it to a chart so that it is looking like a chart within the bag. The next step is to find out what is the best way to create a shape like this, a man. Bag is ready, man is required. You can use different shapes and create a single shape, but I'm using another option called tracing. For that, go to Insert and select Shapes, and I'm using Curve option. And now I'm just tracing this shape. The head portion is not required because I can add a circle. But rest of the thing I require to add from this, and I need to be a little patient enough to take the shape. So the shape is created, Control X, and go to the shape. The second slide where we have that bag shape, Control V, and make the shape outline nothing and color is slightly gray. Make this guy big so that he can carry the bag which is available there. And I can add one circle to look like the person's head. Then no shape outline, shape color is this, and selecting both and right clicking and grouping them. Now I'm just keeping like this. Now I need to add another hand to him. So he has only one hand now. So that insert shape, a rounded rectangle, rounded corners rectangle, and I'm just aligning to the shape and color also, and keeping this like this. Now he has to carry the bag, adding another triangle, which is the starting point of the bag, kind of like this. So let me send backward so that it looks like this. Now let me put this little down, this also little, this also I'll send backward, and this is again backward, backward. Yeah, now I can put this like this. So that way you can create the shapes using tracer option also. Now let me group all the pictures together, and now with a shift and drag I can make this picture like this. Hope you liked this video, and this is based on your creativity and the patience and accuracy level of dragging and dropping and doing the tracing, etc. And this is one of the best way to create nice presentations and becoming more creative. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates as and when I update my videos, and please like and share. Thank you.